Plastic pallets have revolutionized the logistics and warehousing industry due to their durable, lightweight, and hygienic nature. Made from high-quality materials such as HDPE or PP, these pallets can withstand heavy loads without warping or breaking. Unlike traditional wooden pallets, plastic pallets are significantly lighter, making them easier to handle and transport. Plastic pallets possess the ability to resist moisture, chemicals, and pests while also being easy to clean and sanitize, thereby reducing the risk of contamination. From size and shape to color and branding options, businesses can tailor plastic pallets to their unique needs. Moreover, plastic pallets are reusable, recyclable, and often made from recycled materials, making them an eco-friendly choice. Make the switch to plastic pallets today and experience the immediate benefits.